The Gunwerks LR Series action starts out as a blank of 416 stainless steel. The bolt bore and raceway is roughed out with a broach to shorten machining time. The blank is fixtured in a CNC lathe to turn the outside surface. Other surfaces like the thread tenon and bolt bore will be machined concentric to this initial machined surface. The action is fixtured in a CNC milling machine to cut the magazine box, trigger, and rear tank surfaces. Coolant is flooded to remove chips and cool the cutting tool. Next, the action serial number and model number are engraved on the action. The action is removed from the fixture and burrs are removed by hand. The actions are packaged and shipped off-site for heat treatment. All critical dimensions are machined after the heat treat operation. The bolt bore and lug raceways are precisely machined using a wire EDM machine. Multiple units are fixtured, then immersed in a water bath. Electrical current passing through a brass wire allows machining to very close tolerance. Diameter and straightness are quality checked for each action. The overall process has been engineered to produce true and concentric surfaces that enhance the accuracy of the Gunwerks shooting system. The final machining operation cuts the lug abutments and threads. Then actions are finished in a vibratory tumbler with ceramic media. This action is ready for final assembly.